Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows Hello PIN not working after a Windows update. On the sign-in screen, select Sign-in options and choose the password icon. Enter your Microsoft account or local account password to access Windows. Now, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %local app data % and press Enter. After the local folder opens, go to the Microsoft folder, then open the NGC folder. If you cannot see the folder, enable Hidden Items from the View menu. Windows may also ask for administrator permission before allowing access. Inside the NGC folder, delete all files and folders. These files store Windows Hello PIN information, and removing them allows Windows to generate fresh sign-in data. Be careful to delete only the contents of the NGC folder. After that, restart your computer. Once Windows starts, open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign-in options, select PIN Windows Hello, and choose Setup. Follow the prompts to create a new PIN. Your Windows Hello PIN should now work normally again after the update. Thanks for watching.